Hello, how are you?
I am fine, ma'am.
So tell me why write a business plan?
A business plan helps you evaluate the feasibility of a new business idea in an objective, critical, and unemotional way. Marketing. Is there a market? How much can you sell? Management. Does the management team have the skill? Financial. Can the business make a profit? It provides an operating plan to assist you in running the business and improves your probability of success. Identify opportunities and avoid mistakes. Develop production, administrative, and marketing plans. Create budgets and projections to show financial outcomes. It communicates your idea to others, serves as a selling tool, and provides the basis for your financing proposal. Determine the amount and type of financing needed. Forecast profitability and investor return on investment. Forecast cash flow. Show liquidity and ability to repay debt.
Who will use the plan?
If you won't use the plan to raise money, your plan will be internal and maybe less formal. If you are presenting it to outsiders as a financing proposal, presentation quality and thorough financial analysis are very important.
Basic business plan guidelines.
Writing a business plan will probably take a lot of time. Up to 100 hours or more is not uncommon for a new business that requires a lot of research. A typical plan will have 3 sections. Section 1 is a written section describing management and marketing aspects of the business. Section 2 includes financial projections. Section 3 is supplemental information. A short, 3-5 pages, executive summary is often added at the beginning of more complex business plans. Section 1 should be thorough, but concise and to the point. Use headlines, graphs and bullets to improve readability. Length of this section is usually 10-20 pages. Section 2 describes in numbers the outcome of your business strategies and plans. Your financial projections should be based on facts and research, not wild guesses. Be prepared to justify your numbers. Section 3 contains supporting information to reinforce the first 2 sections. This section's contents will vary with your type of business. Owners should be very involved in the planning process. Hiring someone to do it or delegating it to someone who is not a key member of the company will result in an inferior plan. 10 ways to ruin your business plan. Submitting a rough copy, with coffee stains and typos, tells the reader that management doesn't take the planning process seriously. Outdated historical financial information or unrealistic industry comparisons will leave doubts about the entrepreneur's planning abilities. Unsubstantiated assumptions can hurt a business plan. The business owner must be prepared to explain the why of every point in the plan. Too much blue sky, a failure to consider prospective pitfalls, will lead the reader to conclude that the idea is not realistic. A lack of understanding of financial information. Even if someone else prepares the projections, the owner must be able to explain them. Lack of specific, detailed strategies. A plan that includes only general statements of strategy will provide world-class service and the lowest possible price. Without important details will be dismissed as fluff. Especially important if the business plan is prepared for a lender. No indication that the owner has anything at stake. The lender expects the entrepreneur to have some equity capital invested in the business. Unwillingness to personally guarantee any loans. If the business owner isn't willing to stand behind his or her company, then why should the bank? Starting the plan with unrealistic loan amounts or terms. Do your homework and propose a realistic structure. Too much focus on collateral. Even for a cash-secured loan, the banker is looking toward projected profits for repayment of the loan. Cash flow should be emphasized as the source of repayment.
Business plan outline.
Table of contents. Section 1. The business. A description of business. B. Products/services. C. Market analysis. D. Marketing plan. E. Location. F. Competition. G. Management and operations. H. Personnel. I. Application and effect of loan or investment. Section 2. Financial data. A. Projected financial statements. Income statements. Cash flow statements. Balance sheets. Assumptions to projected financial statements. B. Break-even analysis. C. Sources and uses of funds. Section 3. Supporting documents. Historical financial statements. Tax returns. Resumes. Reference letters. Personal financial statements. Facilities diagrams. Letters of intent. Purchase orders. contracts, etc.
Business plan.